Hello students, welcome to lesson number 8, Reach for the Top, part 2. This lesson is about Maria Sharapova. It depicts her persistent endeavor to reach the top. A Russian girl by the name of Maria Sharapova reached the summit of women's tennis when she was barely 18 years old. And now, as we read the lesson, keep in mind the story about Santosh Yadav and see if you can draw a comparison between her and Santosh Yadav. So let us begin with the reading. A Russian girl, Maria Sharapova, reached the summit of women's tennis when she was barely 18. Maria Sharapova's story of success began as she became the top-seeded woman tennis player in the world. She overcame all hurdles and bore humiliation in order to achieve her dream. Maria's hunger for success and her competitive spirit kept her going. Now let us begin reading. There is something disarming about Maria Sharapova, something at odds with her ready smile and glamorous attire, and that something in her lifted her on Monday, 22nd August 2005 to the world number 1 position in women's tennis. All this happened in almost no time. Poised beyond her years, the Siberian-born teenager took just 4 years as a professional to reach the pinnacle. The meaning of the word disarming is likable, and at odds with means to be in conflict with. The word poised means very calm and elegant. Then pinnacle means the most, like the topmost point or the most successful point in one's career. Now there is some quality in contrast to Maria Sharapova's smile and glamour which makes her very likable, and it is this quality that helped her achieve success as she attained world number 1 position in women's tennis on Monday, 22nd August 2005. Maria's calmness and elegance is beyond her age. She was born in Siberia, Russia, and as a teenager, she took only 4 years of training to become the top-seeded woman tennis player. So let's continue reading. However, the rapid ascent in a fiercely competitive world began 9 years before with a level of sacrifice few children would be prepared to endure. Little Maria had not yet celebrated her 10th birthday when she was packed off to train in the United States. That trip to Florida with her father, Yuri, launched her on the path to success and stardom. But it also required a heart-wrenching 2-year separation from her mother, Yelena. The latter was compelled to stay back in Siberia because of visa restrictions. The 9-year-old girl had already learned an important lesson in life, that tennis excellence would come only at a price. The meaning of the word rapid is fast, and the meaning of the word ascent is growth. Endure means to suffer patiently. Heart-wrenching means extremely sad. Now the fast growth in her career started 9 years ago when she made a big sacrifice which can be made by very few children of her age. She had not even turned 10 when she was sent to Florida, USA with her father for training in tennis. She was extremely sad as she had to spend 2 years away from her mother Yelena. Maria's mother was forced to stay back in Siberia because she did not have the permit to travel to the US. So at that tender age of 9, Maria learned that in order to excel at tennis, she would have to make many sacrifices. Now let's continue reading. I used to be so lonely, Maria Sharapova recalls. I missed my mother terribly. My father was working as much as he could to keep my tennis training going, so he couldn't see me either. Maria recollects that she used to remain alone and missed her mother a lot. Her father worked hard in order to fetch money for all her needs, and so he could not even meet her. Let's continue. Because I was so young, I used to go to bed at 8 p.m. and the other tennis pupils would come in at 11 and wake me up and order me to tidy up the room and clean it. So, Maria says that she was very young and so, like she was the youngest in that group, she would go to sleep at 8 p.m. while all the other students would return to the room at 11 and then wake her up ordering her to clean the room. Let's continue with the reading. Instead of letting that depress me, I became more quietly determined and mentally tough. I learned how to take care of myself. I never thought of quitting because I knew what I wanted. When you come from nothing and you have nothing, then it makes you very hungry and determined. I would have put up with much more humiliation and insults than to steadfastly pursue my dream. The meaning of the word depress is to make sad or sadden, and quitting is to leave. Pursue means to follow. So Maria says that she did not get depressed at all by whatever happened. Instead, she made up her mind and she was determined to continue. She was very mentally tough. She took care of herself. She never even once thought of leaving the training because she was determined to achieve her goal, to achieve her aim. When a person has nothing and he is nothing, he craves to become she had this desire to reach the top, to reach the pinnacle, and so she made up her mind to get there no matter how hard, no matter what the odds. She says that she would have borne greater humiliation and insults in order to achieve her dream. Let's continue reading. That toughness runs through Maria even today. It was the key to her bagging the women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004 and to her meteoric rise to the world number one spot the following year. Now, the meaning of the word bagging is winning and meteoric is very rapid. Maria retains her determination till today. This determination led her to grab the women's single trophy at Wimbledon's championship in 2004, followed by the rapid climb to the top position in 2005. While her journey from the frozen plains of Siberia to the summit of women's tennis has touched the hearts of tennis fans the world over, for the youngster herself there appears to be no room for sentiment. The straight looks and the answers that she gives when asked about her ambition make it amply clear that she considers the sacrifices were worth it. I am very, very competitive. I work hard at what I do. It is my job. This is her mantra for success. Sentiment means emotional feeling. The meaning of ambition is goal or aim, and the meaning of the word amply is plentifully. Tennis fans the world over, feel very emotional to know about Maria's journey from the frozen region of Siberia, but she herself is not moved by it. She gives very straight answers when questioned about her aims, which implies that she accepts that all the hurdles and challenges she faced were worth the result that she got, the success that she got. She adds that she is very competitive and works hard as she considers it to be part of her job. This is her secret for success. Let's continue reading. Though Maria Sharapova speaks with a pronounced American accent, she proudly parades her Russian nationality, clearing all doubts. She says, "I am Russian. It's true that the US is a big part of my life, but I have Russian citizenship. My blood is totally Russian. I will play the Olympics for Russia if they want me." The meaning of the word parades is displays. Maria's speech has an American accent, but she is very proud to be a Russian. She says that USA is a big part of her life because she trained there, but in the core of her heart, she is still a Russian. She holds the citizenship of Russia, and her ancestors were Russians. She is willing to represent Russia at the Olympics too, if they wish it to be so. Like any number of teenage sensations, Maria Sharapova lists fashion, singing, and dancing as her hobbies. She loves reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. Her fondness for sophisticated evening gowns appear at odds with her love of pancakes with chocolate spread and fizzy orange drinks. Well, the meaning of the word sophisticated is fashionable, at odds with is in disagreement with, and fizzy is aerated. Like other teenagers her age, Maria's favorite pastimes are fashion, clothes, singing, dancing. She likes to read novels written by Arthur Conan Doyle, the creator of Sherlock Holmes. She likes to wear fashionable evening gowns, and looking at her fit body, it's unbelievable that she likes to eat pancakes with chocolate spread on it and drinks aerated orange flavored drinks. Let's continue reading. Maria Sharapova cannot be pigeonholed or categorized. Her talent, unwavering desire to succeed, and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. Few would grudge her the riches she is now reaping. This is what she has to say about her monetary gains from tennis. Of course, money is a motivation. Tennis is a business and a sport. But the most important thing is to become number one in the world. That's the dream that kept me going. Now, pigeonholed means to be classified or to be categorized. And unwavering means to be very steady or firm. Grudge is oppose or to mind something. Maria cannot be put into any particular category. Her talent, her urge to succeed, and sacrificing nature helped her reach the top position in women's tennis. No one will oppose the benefits that she is getting now because she has made very many sacrifices to get them. She says that money does motivate her to work hard. Tennis is both a sport and a business, but the most important aspect for her was to reach the top spot in women's tennis. It was this dream that kept her working further. So, children, we have seen two lessons. One about Santosh Yadav, who literally made it to the topmost point, to the summit of this world. And in spite of having hailed from a very traditional community, being born in Haryana and going against the conservative nature of her parents and other people. And here we have the story of Maria Sharapova, a girl, a Russian who came from Siberia, went on when she went to America and she achieved her dream in spite of all the hard work and in spite of all the hurdles, the obstacles that came in her way. She she did not mind working hard. She put in her heart and soul, and that was the reason why she made it to the top. So her mantra for success was to work hard and face the toughest competition. So here we see stories of two people from different parts of the world, how both of them made it to the top by their sheer hard work, determination, and their never say die attitude. So these two stories are enough to inspire us to continue working hard and achieve whatever goals we have in life. Now let us continue with the grammar exercises. The first one is the points of comparison or contrast. First is their humble beginning. Santosh Yadav was born in the small village of Joniawas of Rewari district in Haryana, and Maria Sharapova was born in the frozen plains of Siberia. Then their parents' approach. Her parents, Santosh Yadav's parents, disapproved of her wish to study at a school in Delhi, but later they accepted her desire for further studies. And in the case of Maria Sharapova, her father worked very hard to arrange funds for her training. Then their willpower and strong desire to succeed. Santosh Yadav, there was no looking back for this determined young girl. And Maria Sharapova, when you come from nothing and you have nothing, then it makes you very hungry and determined. These were her feelings. Evidence of their mental toughness. Santosh Yadav was equipped with an iron will, a physical endurance, and amazing mental toughness, and she proved herself repeatedly. In the case of Maria Sharapova, instead of letting people, allowing people to depress her, she became all the more quietly determined and mentally tough. She learned how to take care of herself. Now, their patriotism. Santosh Yadav says that her feelings were indescribable, but when she stood at the summit of Mount Everest, she felt very proud to be an Indian. That shows her patriotism. And in the case of Maria Sharapova, she says that she speaks with a very pronounced American accent, but she proudly parades her Russian nationality and says that if her country decides, then she will be very proud to participate in the Olympics as a Russian. Then let us. So children, I hope you've understood both these lessons well, and that you will take these stories like as a personal inspiration for your own life. Thank you and have a nice day.